Hello friends, welcome. So today we'll be learning and starting the journey of Tally Prime. So first of all, for learning or practicing Tally Prime, there are variant methods on which you can practice the Tally Prime or you can manage your business on the same. For that, first of all, you need to enter over here the URL of the Tally Solutions Private Limited website, that is www.tallysolutions private limited. So as and when I provide here the URL, this will take you to the official website page of Tally Solutions. So here you can see the various options like buy now or download, and simultaneously you can look at the left, there is a option of take a free trial or upgrade now. In a take a free trial, you can book a 7-day free trial by providing the simple details of you or your business, and you can book a free trial. For example, as I click on the free trial, this is providing me a simple form in which I have to provide here that who am I, that is I have to select I am a business owner, accountant, student or any other person. So as and when I select here the person that I belong to, I have to provide here the nature of business I am dealing in, that is I have my trading business, manufacturing or the service one. After that, provide here your name, your phone number, your email ID and the pin code. After filling in all the details as required by the Tally Solutions Private Limited, you have to check in here in the box that you have read and accepted all the terms and conditions. As and when you submit this form, this will provide you an OTP and the details of a link from where you can start with your free trial, but this will give you the link after some time. So for that you have to wait. Now this is the way you can have the 7 days free trial and you can learn upon the same. I am clicking here on the back option, and as and when I come back on my official website of tallysolutions.com, here is an option of upgrade now. So this option is provided for the users that have existed license, that have existing license number with them, so they can upgrade their software from tally.erp9 to Tally Prime for free. So from here, from upgrade now option, you can provide therein the existing license number, your rental license number that you had taken, and you can simply upgrade to Tally Prime for free, that is without any charge. Now here you can see there is an option of buy now. As and when I click here on the buy now option, this will provide me some of the methods like silver rental, silver, gold rental or gold. See, silver and gold, these are the purchase versions, and silver rental and gold rental are the rented one. See, rented and the purchase version have their own advantages and disadvantages both. See, for silver rental, this is limited to a single user edition, and you can go for the monthly plan as well. You can go for 3 months plan, that is the quarterly plan, or you can go for the yearly plan as well. This will provide you the cost and the GST as applicable. Likewise, you can go for the silver purchase version, wherein this will provide you the single user edition for the whole year, and this is perpetual. All right, this will cost you 18,000 plus GST. Then the next you have is gold rental. This is for the unlimited multi-user edition, and you can the same way you can have like silver rental, that is the monthly, quarterly or yearly basis. Same way you can purchase for the gold one, wherein this will cost you 54,000 plus GST. So this is how you can buy the Tally Prime software. Now, if I talk about the downloading, see here you have been provided download option. As I click here on the download option, this will navigate me to the next page where you can see an option of download new Tally Prime software. See, As I am clicking here on the download option, this will show me a setup over here at the bottom of your screen. So this is the software I am downloading from the Tally Solutions Private Limited. As and when this whole circle will complete in the blue color, this setup will get installed on your computer, on your system. So I am waiting the setup to install completely. Here you can see my setup has been completed, and now I am double clicking over here. This is opening up the setup, and as I click here, I am just minimizing my screen, and you can see here the pop-up window. Here you have to press over here on the yes option. As and when I press here, this will start downloading on my system. Now you can see here, this is showing me the path where this will get installed, that is Tally Prime 1.0. So I am clicking here enter and just select here install new. I am clicking the install new option, and this is providing me configure more actions or install. I am simply clicking here the install, and the Tally Prime setup has been started to install on my PC. Now you can see here on my desktop screen, Tally Prime has been installed. See, this 2 is written over here as I have installed the Tally Prime software earlier as well. So this is number 2. See, I have Tally Prime software previously as well, and here it is written Tally Prime. So I had downloaded, installed it second time, so it is providing me here the 2 numbers. So don't worry about this number if this will not be there on your screen. This will show you Tally Prime only. So this is how you can successfully install the Tally software, Tally Prime software for free on your system, on your PC. I hope you understood the variant options available for you and for your business to manage your business on Tally Solutions Private Limited official website. Thank you, dear. We'll continue in the next class with the more options, and we'll be learning more and more in the upcoming lectures. Bye-bye. Take care.